Memphis Belle, a name synonymous with the courage and determination of American aviators in World War II, was the Boeing B-17F Flying Fortress. This iconic aircraft, like its countless brethren, rolled off the production line with the humble factory serial number 3470. It was destined for a much greater legacy. Officially entered the inventory of the U.S. Army Air Corps on July 15, 1942, as number 412485, the aircraft was an unremarkable machine in appearance. Its construction followed the standard blueprint for the B-17 F-10BO variant, a design that had already proven its worth in the skies. It was the crew assigned to the Memphis Belle that would transform this unremarkable bomber into an extraordinary symbol. Led by Lieutenant Robert Morgan, the crew became the first American aviators to complete 25 combat missions over occupied Europe. Their journey was fraught with danger. Each mission was a gamble with death, as the B-17 faced anti-aircraft fire and enemy fighters. The Memphis Belle persevered, returning safely to base time and time again. The crew's accomplishment was more than a statistical milestone. It represented the indomitable spirit of American troops, a testament to their resilience and courage. As word of their accomplishment spread, the Memphis Belle became a beacon of hope and inspiration for a nation at war. The plane's journey was far from over. After completing its 25th mission, the Memphis Belle embarked on a war bond tour across the United States. Its purpose was to raise money for the war effort and to boost morale on the home front. The iconic bomber became a symbol of unity, a visible representation of the sacrifices made by those overseas. The story of the Memphis Belle is a testament to the human spirit, an enduring narrative of courage, perseverance, and the power of hope. While the plane itself was merely a product of industrial might, it was the men who flew it that transformed it into a legend. And that legacy continues to inspire generations to come.